Hi everybody, Chris here from Truly Holistic. New product time, okay? Now this is an existing product but in a different format, which is making it a lot more powerful, okay? And I'll explain about the differences now in regards to the new format. What we're talking about here is the neutralization ring, the sun ring and the divinity ring. So the rings that are very powerful little tools, and I've been distributing and people have been loving them. The 4-inch variety, that's the neutralization ring, 4-inch sun ring, and also the 4-inch divinity ring. Okay, so now these are fantastic because they're in a size that you can, for a woman you can put in your handbag, your purse kind of thing, and then for a guy you can place it in your pocket and take it around with you. And the key to these little rings and using them at home at a personal level is using them on everything and anything. Okay, food, water, everything. Okay, place them under your pillow at night time to sleep. Place it between your feet to give you a whole body, a general clearing. The more you use this, the more you incorporate this into your lifestyle. Okay, then you're just going to reap the benefits from it. Okay. About now, the new product that we've got here is that I've been selling the 4-inch and I've been selling the 13-inch variety. And the 13-inch are a big ring, bigger size, and therefore was able to make clearings faster. Okay, they both went 9 layers deep into the body. Okay, and I'm mainly talking about the sun ring in regards to this. And Wayne Gatos, the guy that makes these tools from Crystalline Incorporated in Canada, has made a new form of sun ring, divinity ring, neutralization ring in the 9-inch format. So this is the sun ring, and why these are powerful and why we've gone to the 9-inch variety instead of the 13-inch is the fact that they're a lot more powerful because they go layers further into the body. So in regards to the 13-inch and the 4-inch sun ring, we're able to go 9 layers deep into the body. With the 9-inch sun ring, we're able to go 22 layers deep into the body. So quite a difference, okay? And why these rings at this size are in alignment with the energies that are coming through at the moment. And that's why we can go deeper into the body. So why I'm excited about these is the fact that, one, you're able to get a deeper clearing with these tools. They're very, very powerful. And also, more importantly, for you buying them, they're cheaper, okay? They're a lot lighter, so they can use them and take them around with you a lot. They're a lot more convenient. And you'll get some great benefits out of it. And there's a number of ways of using them. Use them very much like you do with the 4-inch variety, but because they're a stronger, more powerful form, because we're able to go deep into the body, a lot of practitioners, including people that work on the chakra system, your auric field, massage therapists, hands-on healing, you'll reap the benefit of using these tools, these 9-inch variety tools, because you're going to be able to take your healing even further and amplify its effect. Okay, one, using a neutralization ring to keep you safe as well, especially if you're a hands-on energy practitioner and you're a Reiki practitioner. You're going to absorb a lot of the negative energy you're pulling out of your clients, and you want to keep yourself safe. So you want to pull off all that attachment of negative energy on your auric field or your tensor field, what I like to call energy field these days. And by just standing over this between your sessions, then you're just going to lift that off you, okay? You're not going to get infected by the people that you've been working on, okay? Also, placing this underneath the client, whether you're doing a massage or they're sitting in a chair, you just place it under the chair, the neutralization ring, and that's going to help you with lifting a lot of this negative energy. It's going to remove attachments a lot easier. It's going to loosen that material that you want to pull off. So your healing sessions are going to be a lot more effective. You're going to go a long way, a lot faster in regards to your session time, and people are going to love it. Your clients are going to love it. And then obviously with the sun ring, then all of a sudden you can use this to amplify your healing effect. Okay, neutralization ring pulls that negative energy off, which will leave a void, because we'll pull that negative energy out. We want to fill that space with positive energy, and that's when the sun ring comes into it. Okay, and now this is you can do anything with this tool. I think this tool here, the Sunring, whether you have it in the 4-inch variety or the 9-inch variety, very powerful tool because it's a broadcaster. It amplifies anything you place within the ring. Okay, and I've been saying to a lot of people, the question I get from a lot of people is, what supplements do you take? Okay, and other than the concentrated mineral drops, which I add to my water, which is 72 plus minerals in it, it's kind of like a mineral supplement, I guess. You're like a bit like your multivitamin supplement. Other than that, I don't take any supplements because, you know what? Because once you learn how to use this tool here, the Sunring, whether that's in the 4-inch variety or the 9-inch variety, obviously the added bonus of the 9-inch is we're going further into the body, we can push those healing energies further into the body, is that you can intend any vitamin, any mineral you want, okay, any supplement you want. You just write on a piece of paper and use it as an intention note, place it within the 9-inch or the 4-inch Sunring, stand over that ring, place your food or your water on top of that ring, and that vibration frequency of the vitamin or the mineral, whatever you've written on that piece of paper, will be absorbed into the food, substance, the water, or the body, okay? Because you've got to remember what's the difference between vitamin A and vitamin C is they're different, they have signature vibration frequency to them, okay? Really, what the body's really wanting is at an energetic level, the vibration frequency of vitamin A, of vitamin C, of whatever vitamin or mineral we want, magnesium, silica. So if we can use these tools to amplify the effect of just a note, that's gonna give you the vibration frequency of that mineral vitamin. Now that's powerful, okay? You've essentially got your own radionic machine just with that ring that's alone. So wonderful tools. Now the Divinity ring here, which I've got a 4-inch variety, I also have the 9-inch variety, is very powerful because it activates oxygen and whatever you place over top of it. It charges the food and water just like the Sunring, but in a different way. It's not a broadcaster, but it definitely gives a more oxygen quality to whatever you place on top of it. Your food, your water, your body, your lungs, your respiratory system. So anyway, I thought I'd do this video to just give you an update in regards to, we've got these tools now, the 9-inch tools on the website, my product store. Just go to trulyholistic.net, go to my products page, and they are there to purchase. And as I say, they're a lot more cost effective than the 13-inch variety, plus they're more powerful. So it was a no-brainer in removing the 13-inch variety and going with the 9-inch. And yeah, you'll find so many ways of using these tools. They're amazing. You can use this as your main tool in regards to using intention. You just point it like that and use intent with it. But there are a number of ways of using it, and very excited about this range of tools. So go to my website and grab yourself some 9-inch rings, and I tell you, your life will change forever. Bye.